Hi, I'm Scot Giles, and I'm a board-certified diplomate of the National Guild of Hypnotists. I've been chosen to present 3 classes at the 2024 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention and Educational Conference, August 9th through 11th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. On Friday morning, August 9th at 10 a.m., I'll be presenting a 1-hour program based on the findings of the Forgiveness Project at Stanford University. Social scientists have actually studied the whole phenomena of forgiveness. What does it mean in a scientific sense? And I'll show you how to build their findings into your hypnotic work. Also on Friday at 3 p.m., I'll be presenting on using electronics and video in your practice. I've been doing medical hypnosis in Chicagoland for more than 35 years, and I make use of electronic enhancements, recordings, performance measurement devices, and so on in my practice. And I market my practice by doing video podcasts that are very effective and surprisingly easy to do. Let me show you how. Finally, on August 10th at 11 a.m., I'll be doing my annual free 2-hour program on ethical and safe practice. On the advisory board of the Guild, I carry that portfolio, so I'll be showing you how to keep your practice of consulting hypnotism safe and legal. Joining us at the NGH Convention in August is a valuable opportunity for you to continue your learning as a hypnotic practitioner. The number of presentations gives every hypnotist the opportunity to take those classes that fit your needs and your learning desires. I hope to see you there.